In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Ticket Toolbot in your Discord server. If you're looking for an easy way to manage support requests and keep conversations organized in your Discord community, Ticket Tool is a great option. It allows users to create private support tickets, making it much easier for staff members to handle questions, issues, and requests without cluttering public channels. To get started, open your web browser and head over to the Ticket Tool website. Once you're there, click the option to invite Ticket Tool and add the bot to your Discord server. Complete the authorization process, then return to Discord. Next, go to your server and click the server name in the top left corner. From the menu, select Server Settings. On the left side, click Roles. Here, you'll want to make sure the Ticket Tool role is positioned above regular member roles. However, you can keep it below higher-level roles such as server owners or moderators. This ensures the bot has the proper permissions to function correctly. While you're in the Roles section, create a new role for your support staff. Click Create Role. Give it a name such as Support, and then assign that role to the members of your team who will be handling tickets. Once that's done, close the Settings menu and move to the channel list on the left side of Discord. Right-click in the channel area and create a new category. Name this category Support. After creating the category, create a channel inside it and name that channel Support as well. Now return to your web browser and go back to the Ticket Tool website. Click Manage Servers and sign in with Discord if prompted. Locate your server and click Manage. From there, create a new panel and give it a name. After creating the panel, open the General Settings section. Select your support role as the support team role and save the changes. Go back, open the category settings, and choose the support category you created earlier. Save those settings as well. After that, click Send and choose the support channel as the destination. Confirm by clicking Send. When you return to Discord, you'll see the ticket panel message has been posted in the channel. To keep the channel clean, you can edit the channel permissions and disable the ability for members to send messages directly in that channel. From this point forward, users can simply click the button on the panel to create a ticket. A private ticket channel will be generated, allowing support staff and the user to communicate. When the issue has been resolved, the ticket can be closed. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.